Hi everyone, this is Arlie Plans. My name is Arelle. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am doing a little project. I am going to make a thing again. I guess I'm calling it how to make the thing series, as far as my little projects. So this project involves the desk calendar from the Be Happy box. And if you can see, I took it apart. Ooh, wonder why. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I'm up to, keep watching. So to start off, I just wanted to say I don't have a desk. So I don't have a actual desk that just stays in one place. I have a foldable desk, so that's where I do all my planning, and I just do it in the dining room table or wherever, because I don't have my own room to just do crafting, planning, all that stuff. So when I got my desk calendar from the Be Happy box, it's super cute, but I'm not gonna be able to use it, actually put it on a desk. So I was debating on whether to just give it away or let it sit in my planner cart and just not do anything, until I had the idea of repurposing it. So I like to repurpose some of the things that I have. If I can't use it for the purpose for its original purpose, I usually think of things of what I can do with it. And this desk calendar is super pretty. Look at that. It matches the theme, of course, of the Be Happy box, and I wanted to do something that, for me to actually use it and look at it all the time. So my idea is, I was scrolling through it, and then I saw that the back, so if you because when you flip the calendar, on the back it's blank. So my idea is to use each of the months as a memory keeping type of tool. So I will be putting in a photo right here on the back that will be whatever memory or photo that signifies my favorite memory of the month. So it'll be one photo, maybe two or three, but for January so far I just have the one. So that's what I'm gonna do. I will put a photo of my favorite memory of the month, and then I'll probably cut this off where the holes are, or maybe just keep it. I'll think about it, and then just punch this right here and then put it on my planner. So it's it serves a little memory keeping type of, just a little something. So yeah, it's super easy, and for for those who don't have a desk, or not use the desk calendar, the foldable desk calendar a lot, just put it, use it for something else, and this is what I'll use it for. So my favorite memory of January, of course, is when I went to the Women's March. So this is a photo of myself holding the sign that I made. So I went with my sister. It was a fun experience. It was very enlightening and very inspiring to be with different women, and then just getting together and shouting at the top of our lungs what we believe in. And it's just, yeah, it was very nice. It was an awesome experience. So I'm obviously using the January part of it, and I like it at it's your year to shine. And the memory, it was definitely a shining moment. So I am just going to decorate it. So I have some stuff apart from the calendar that I took apart. I have the same the letter stickers from the Be Happy box and the washi from the Be Happy box. So I mean, I don't have to necessarily use Be Happy box items, but for now I'll just go through it. I didn't want to go through all my washi and my stickers, and I want it to be just super simple. I'll probably do say Women's March over here, and then maybe write something, or just keep it right here in the middle. So I made up my mind. I am going to cut this off. So I have my paper trimmer, and I will just line it up over here, make sure it's nice and straight. So there we go. And then, so yeah, I'll just like put this photo in the middle. I have my double-sided tape over here. So yeah, I'm really glad that I thought of like using the calendar for something else, because I just didn't want to not use it. It was too pretty to not be used. So, and it's just like another way, like little way of doing memory keeping if you don't want to do like a whole month's worth of memories. So if you just have that one like big memory that you always want to remember for that month, it's nice to have this like one major highlight. So let me make sure it's on the right side. It is. So I have this, and then I can put some washi to decorate. So maybe like right here. And then do it on the other side. So nothing too fancy. And then just grab my stickers. Do I want to add some of these? Maybe this flower. Yeah, sure. Kind of looks good. There we go. Maybe add these speckled. I love this Be Happy box. I hope they come out with like a frigging sticker book, like a big, like the value pack, like for like this color scheme. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so in love with it. I'm so glad I bought it, and I'm glad that I won it in a giveaway as well. So I have two. I'm so happy with the little things, y'all. So yes, I will just write. So since I'm gonna punch it over here, so I'll kind of move the letters this way, just in case I don't have room. And I'm really glad like there's a lot of these stickers. Oh. It's a little crooked. So I'm glad I have a lot of these stickers, or it comes with a lot of them, like of the letters themselves. So actual like the stickers, there's no like apostrophe, so I'm just using like the little dot from the exclamation point to use it as an apostrophe. Hey, whatever works, right guys? So I have that. I'm gonna do another M, and then an A, then the R, we have the C, and the H. I don't know why I'm putting these stickers like real, like crookedly. Okay, so that's that. So it's pretty simple, guys. It's not like too complicated, and it's like a really like fun little way of memory keeping. So now I'm going to punch. Hopefully it works. There we go. And I was planning on putting this on my catch-all instead of my wellness, because I have my January highlights, or I have like my monthly highlights for my wellness planner. So I want to put this in my catch-all and then just have like a little memory. So So I don't know if I'll put it like in between or maybe at the end of the month. I'll probably do it like maybe at the beginning of the month. So I have January right here. Zoom out. So this is January, and then when you flip through, this is my favorite memory of January, Women's March, and then just like flip through the month. So yeah, I think I like it being placed here because I don't want it to be right here because I'm going to use this for something else. I'm using it for actually February because I'm going to use this as well. So yeah, it works out pretty well. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys I hope it inspired you to, you know, if you have your Be Happy box like calendar that you don't know like what to use it for, this is like another idea for you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and of course if you want to see more content from me, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys. Bye.